Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search on an Excel sheet and workbook. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so here's our Excel document. I've just put on some really basic information just for this example to show you how easy it is to use the search function. Yours will probably have a lot more data included on your workbook, okay? So what we're going to do for the moment is we're going to want to do a quick search, okay, for something that is on this spreadsheet that is just, it's lots of data on there. We just want to be able to find it nice and easy. So if you come up to the top right-hand corner where it's got Find and select that and then click on Find. Okay, so then this box will appear. So let's say we're looking for a particular, let's say, invoice number, and we just want to put in any number, okay, that we need to find. I'm going to look for 2147. Okay, and then so put in your data that you're looking for. And this is quite important, is when you're looking within either the sheet or the workbook. The workbook includes all the tabs that are involved in your Excel sheet down the bottom here. So it will be looking on sheet 1 and sheet 2. I, for now, only want it looking at sheet 1 or the current sheet that I am in. So we'll leave it on that selection. Okay, and then you want to just press Find All. And here it will display everything down below of where the what the results are. Basically, there is only one result on this sheet that has 2147 in it. So as you can see, if you click on it, it goes directly to that cell right there, so we can find it. So that's nice and easy. If we were to change the search function to, let's say, a word, so let's do shop. Okay, so I'm looking for shop, and now I'm going to change it to, oh no, I'll leave that as sheet. So we press Find All again. Here, 2 entries have come up, which would obviously tell you that it's actually in 2 different cells. If you press either one of these, it will take you directly to it. So it's really quick to direct you to the actual result. So that's really nice and easy. Now what we're going to do is just change the within to workbook. So now it's going to look on both sheet 1 and sheet 2. If we do Find All again, oh, only 2 results have come up. So that means there's nothing on sheet 2 with that particular word in it. Let's try a different word. Okay, and press Find All again. And now we have 3 results. Okay, and if we can see here, we've got 2 results on sheet 1. So if we got on there, it's D15, then again on D27, but we have this third one. If we click that, it takes us directly to sheet 2 and tells us where that data is found. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And please leave a comment down below. Catch you guys in the next one.